Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to properly store carrot greens. Let's get to it. First off, let's just talk about carrot storage. If you buy carrots from the farmer's market or someplace where they leave the greens on, those greens should be removed when you store carrots in the fridge because just basic plants, right? You have the green part above the soil, you have the root part below the soil. Those roots, they feed the green part, right? So if the greens are still attached to the carrots when you put them in the fridge, the greens are gonna keep pulling moisture and nutrients out of those carrots. So cut the greens off and then let's store them properly. So carrot greens are great for salads. You can use them in a pesto. It's a great way to fight food waste, which is really important because in America, we waste 40% of the food that we grow. So much food considering how many people go hungry in this country. So simple things like this can be a really great way to fight food waste and get the most out of the produce that you buy. So how do you store them? Well, take a paper towel and just wet it with a little bit of water. You want it to be damp, but not soaked and dripping wet, just damp. And then roll those carrot greens up into that paper towel. Put the paper towel inside a plastic bag and seal it up. Those carrot greens are only gonna last for like 1 to 2 days at most, so you wanna use them quickly. They make a great addition to pesto because carrot greens are really high in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, they're high in fiber. There's lots of reasons to eat these greens. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Something you wanna see? Drop a comment down below. I'm always looking for suggestions. And hey, if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe.